And then you place your right hand behind you on the floor and your left hand on your right knee. You're going to twist to the right. And again, you want to open the shoulder back. You help yourself with your right hand that is actually pushing down into the floor while your shoulder opens, and you can help yourself with your left hand on your knee. So you feel the twist and the opening here. Breathe through it. Keep your head turning to the right. And that's 4. And 5. Return to the center. And feel this out. Feel the difference between right and left now. Now we're going to go the other way. Your left hand behind your back on the mat. Right hand on your knee. Turn to the left. Push your left hand in the floor so you can make a deeper twist. Right hand helps on the knee. Open through the front. Breathe through it. 3, 4, and 5. Turn back to the front. All right,